Hello, everyone, welcome back to the channel Future Force. Please subscribe and like my videos. Today we are diving deep into one of the most shocking developments in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The latest escalation saw Russia striking Kyiv, attempting to destabilize the capital and send a message of dominance. However, Ukraine's response was not only swift but brutally effective, showing the world that they are far from defenseless. The attack on Kyiv triggered immediate retaliation, with Ukrainian forces targeting key Russian positions with surgical precision, demonstrating both strategy and resilience under extreme pressure. The scale of the Ukrainian counterattack was remarkable, illustrating a new phase in this conflict where speed, accuracy, and intelligence play a crucial role. The exterior of the affected areas in Kyiv shows a city under strain but resilient in the face of adversity. Buildings that were hit by the initial strike reveal the stark contrast between destruction and survival. Roads, bridges, and infrastructure in the capital faced the brunt of the assault. Yet emergency services, military units, and civilian volunteers quickly moved in to stabilize the situation. Ukrainian ingenuity shines here, with barricades, temporary fortifications, and improvised defenses appearing almost immediately after the strikes. The exterior view of Kyiv and the areas targeted also highlights the adaptability of the Ukrainian people, showing that even under bombardment, normal life and resistance persist side by side. The urban landscape, while scarred, is still functional, allowing counteroffensive maneuvers and logistical operations to proceed without catastrophic disruption. The rapid restoration of key exterior facilities played a pivotal role in enabling Ukraine's quick and devastating response. Moving to the interior aspects, the story deepens with a focus on Ukraine's military command centers, strategic operation rooms, and civilian coordination hubs. The interiors of these facilities demonstrate meticulous planning, advanced communication networks, and high levels of coordination. In command centers, analysts and military personnel worked tirelessly to assess the damage, track Russian troop movements, and identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited for immediate retaliation. The interior setup of these hubs is a mix of high-tech equipment and highly trained human resources, allowing decisions to be made in real time and executed flawlessly. The control rooms, replete with screens displaying drone feeds, satellite imagery, and live communications from units on the ground, show the heart of Ukraine's operational excellence. Even amidst chaos, the interior systems are robust, facilitating precision strikes that targeted critical Russian assets and ensured maximum impact. Beyond military facilities, interiors of civilian shelters and coordination centers reveal a society that is both resilient and resourceful, combining the efforts of ordinary citizens with professional expertise to support a national defense effort that is both adaptive and relentless. The careful design and operation of these interiors amplify the effectiveness of Ukraine's response, showing a nation that is prepared not just physically but mentally for the complexities of modern warfare. Performance in this context refers to the effectiveness of Ukraine's retaliatory actions. The precision of their drone strikes, artillery counterattacks, and targeted operations against key Russian positions showcases a military force capable of high performance under pressure. Ukrainian units executed their missions with near-perfect timing, capitalizing on intelligence and prior reconnaissance. This performance was not just about the sheer volume of firepower, but about the strategic selection of targets and the speed of execution. The coordination between air, ground, and cyber operations allowed crane to hit multiple critical nodes simultaneously, inflicting significant damage on Russian forces while minimizing collateral damage to civilian areas. Performance here also reflects the morale, training, and adaptability of Ukrainian forces. Each unit operated like a finely tuned machine, responding instantly to changing circumstances and demonstrating that modern warfare relies as much on information, strategy, and speed as it does on raw strength. This level of performance sent a clear message that any aggression towards Ukraine would be met with swift, intelligent, and highly effective retaliation. Safety features, although often overlooked in wartime discussions, were a critical aspect of Ukraine's operations. Civilian safety protocols, emergency response mechanisms, and protective measures for military personnel all contributed to minimizing casualties and maintaining operational effectiveness. Air raid shelters, emergency communication systems, and rapid medical response units allowed civilians to remain protected even during intense bombardments. For military forces, advanced protective gear, bunkers, and reinforced command centers ensured that operations could continue without catastrophic loss of life. Safety measures also extended to cybersecurity, with Ukraine maintaining secure communications to prevent Russian forces from disrupting operations or leaking sensitive information. These features collectively demonstrate a comprehensive approach to safeguarding human life, while executing offensive and defensive operations with maximum efficiency. The unique selling points of Ukraine's retaliation lie in its speed, precision, and integration of modern technology. Ukraine has demonstrated that even against a numerically superior opponent, a combination of intelligence, technology, and adaptability can produce extraordinary results. The use of drones, real-time intelligence, and coordinated artillery strikes represents a modern approach to warfare that emphasizes quality over quantity. Furthermore, the ability to rapidly assess damage, adapt plans, and execute counterattacks without delay showcases a level of operational flexibility rarely seen in conventional conflicts. These unique aspects not only maximize military effectiveness, but also send a psychological message to both allies and adversaries that Ukraine is capable of defending its sovereignty while maintaining strategic initiative. While price is not measured in monetary terms in this context, the cost of war is often discussed in terms of human life, resources, and geopolitical implications. Ukraine's response, while swift and brutal, has been carefully calculated to minimize unnecessary loss while maximizing strategic impact. Each action taken represents a balance between effectiveness and the ethical responsibility to protect civilians and infrastructure wherever possible. The investment in technology, training, and coordination infrastructure has proven invaluable, demonstrating that the cost of preparation and resilience is far outweighed by the ability to respond decisively to aggression. In conclusion, the recent events surrounding Russia's strike on Kyiv and Ukraine's instantaneous and brutal retaliation highlight the evolving nature of modern warfare. Ukraine's strategic, technological, and operational capabilities were displayed in full force, revealing a nation that is resilient, resourceful, and determined. From the exterior damage assessments and rapid urban recovery to the interior command centers that orchestrated precise counterattacks, every aspect of the conflict demonstrates a high level of planning, execution, and adaptability. Performance under pressure, comprehensive safety measures, and unique strategic advantages all contributed to a response that was as swift as it was effective. While the human and material costs of war remain profound, Ukraine's example shows that with preparation, intelligence, and unity, even the most powerful adversaries can be challenged and repelled. The world has witnessed a moment of remarkable resilience and strategic brilliance, proving that in modern conflicts, speed, precision, and adaptability can redefine the battlefield and ensure national sovereignty is fiercely defended.